Good afternoon all. We have learned about the concept of residues and learned about how to evaluate the integrals using evaluating residues. Today we have the evaluation of real definite integrals involving sines and cosines using residues. The first type is integrals of the type integral 0 to 2 pi f of sin theta cos theta d theta. In that type of problems, we have the substitution is put z equal to e raised to I theta. Then the theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. It's a unit circle. And put the sin theta. Then if z equal to e raised to I theta, then sin theta is equal to z minus z raised to minus 1 or 1 by z by 2i. Z minus z raised to minus 1 by all divided by 2i. And cos theta is z plus 1 by z all divided by 2, and d theta is equal to dz by iz. Now we have 2-3 problems demonstrating how to evaluate the integral using this form, this substitution. First problem is evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by 13 minus 5 sin theta.
First problem is evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by 13 minus 5 sin theta. This is the problem. So here sin theta term is there, all terms are real. So we have to, and the integral is from 0 to 2 pi. So we have to substitute z equal to e raised to I theta. Then d theta is equal to dz by iz. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2i into z minus 1 by z, or z minus z raised to minus 1. Here now cos theta term, so we did not have to substitute. So therefore the given integral is 0 to 2 pi d theta by 13 minus 5 sin theta becomes integral over c d theta is instead of d theta we have dz by iz by 13 minus 5 into sin theta is 1 by 2i z minus 1 by z by 2i, where c is the unit circle. C is the unit circle. Mod z equal to 1. Simplifying, we will get integral over c dz by iz. This is 2. That 2i is we can take that LCM. So this is 26i minus 5 into z minus 1 by z all divided by 2i. All divided by 2i. So this is equal to we can one more, here is the term is there 1 by z. We can take the LCM there also. So dz by this I term can be cancels, and 2 can be taken to top. So 2 dz by z by this z is 1 by z, this, so 26 iz minus 5 z square minus this plus minus 5 into minus 1, so this is plus 5. Now this z can be cancels. So the term is integral over 2 dz by minus 5 z square plus 26 iz plus 5. Now we have to find the residue of this thing. For that, take this will be f of z. F of z is equal to 2 by minus 5 z square plus 26 iz plus 5. Now we have to find the singularities of this f of z. For that, factorize this one. For that, we have this is minus 5z square plus 26iz plus 5 equal to 0. For that, z equal to minus b. Minus b is minus 26i plus or minus b square. Square root of b square is 26i square. So this 26 square is 676. So this is minus 676 minus 4ac. 4 into minus 5 into 5. All divided by 2 into minus 5. It's minus 10. So this is equal to minus 26i plus or minus minus 676. This is 4 into minus 5 into 2 minus is that. So this is plus. 4 into 5 10, 10 into 5 4 into 5 20, 20 into 5 100 divided by 10. So this is equal to minus 26i plus or minus root 576 minus 576 is 24i by here minus 10 which is equal to minus 26i plus 24i is minus 2i by minus 10. The other one is minus 50i by minus 10. So the terms are, this is 1 by 5i and this is 5i. So this term we could write, f of z can be, we could write 2 by z minus 1 by 5i and z minus 5. Since 5 and 5i and 1 by 5i. So this I term we have to write z minus 5i. But the leading term here is minus 5. Here if the coefficient if we multiply z into z is z square only there, so we have to multiply this minus 5 term is also there in this term. So therefore this is f of z and z equal to 1 by 5i and z equal to 5i are the singularities of f of z. T's of f of z and z equal to 1 by 5i lies inside C. Our C is unit circle, mod z equal to 1 and z equal to 5i lies outside C. Therefore, residue at z equal to 1 by 5i is equal to limit z tends to 1 by 5i z minus 1 by 5i into f of z. So here f of z is equal to our 1 by 5i into z minus 1 by 5i into minus 2 by, this is 5 minus 5 and this is plus 2 by minus 5 z minus 5i into z minus 1 by 5i 1 by 5i and this z minus 1 by 5i term cancelled. So this is 2 by minus 5 into, when we applying limit, this is 1 by 5i minus 5i minus 2 by 5. This is we can take this LCM as 5. So this is I minus 25i. So this 5 and 5 cancels. So this is minus 2 by I minus 25i is minus 24i. So the answer is 1 by 12i. So we got the residue. Therefore, integral over C f of z dz is equal to, by residue theorem, 2 pi I into sum of sigma residue at residue of f of z, which is equal to 2 pi I into 1 by 12i. So I and I term cancelled. 2 by 6. So the answer is pi by 6. Next problem is evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta. We have here also we have to put z equal to e raised to iz. Then d theta is equal to dz by iz. Cos theta equal to z plus 1 by z all divided by 2. And we have, and let the contour be mod z equal to 1. So integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta is equal to integral over c dz by iz by a plus b into z plus 1 by z all divided by 2. Now we have to simplify this thing. Then this becomes integral over c dz by iz. This 2 we can multiply it, so this is 2a plus b into z plus 1 by z all divided by 2. This 2 can be gone to top, so this is 2 dz by iz. Now here this z term we can multiply, take the LCM, so this is 2az plus bz square plus b all divided by z. Here we can cancel this z, so we can take out the constant 2i in the I dz by bz square plus 2az plus b. Now take same as the same problem, take f of z equal to 1 by bz square plus 2az plus b. So we have to find the coefficient of that. bz square plus 2az plus b equal to 0. Then z equal to minus b is minus 2a plus or minus b square is 4a square minus b square minus 4ac. Here a and c are b, minus 4b square all divided by 2b, which is equal to minus 2a plus or minus 2 into square root of a square minus b square all divided by 2b, which is equal to 2 can be cancelled. So minus a plus or minus square root of a square minus b square all divided by b. So this is the roots. So f of z can be written as 1 by, here also the leading term b is the b into z minus, so we can take this as z1 and z2. Let it be z1 and z2, b z minus z1 into z minus z2, where z1 is equal to minus a plus square root of a square minus b square by b, and z2 is equal to minus a minus square root of a square minus b square all divided by b. Here mod z1 less than 1 and mod z2 greater than 1. I missed the this is the condition a greater than a comma b greater than 0. Mod a mod b greater than 0. That condition I missed. If we use that thing, mod z1 is less than 1 and mod z2 is greater than 1. So therefore only mod z1 lies inside C. So the residue at z1 f of z is equal to limit z tends to z1 this is f of z is 1 by b into z minus z1 into b into z minus z1 into z minus z2. So this is cancels. So this is equal to 1 by b into z minus z2. When we put z1, so this is minus a, z1 is minus a plus square root of a square minus b square by b minus a minus square root of a square minus b square by b. So if we take the difference of this 1 by b into this term minus a plus a, that term cancels, so only square root of a square, 2 times a square root of a square minus b square all divided by b. So this b cancels, so the answer is 1 by 2 into square root of a square minus b square. So integral 0 to 2 pi, the given question is integral 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta is equal to 2 by I integral over c f of z dz we got. So this is 2 by I into sum of we can use the residue theorem. So this 2 by I into 2 pi I into sum of residues at f of z, which is equal to 2 by I into 2 pi I into 1 by 2 into square root of a square minus b square. So this I cancels, this 2 cancels, so the answer is 2 pi by square root of a square minus b square. In the third problem, integral 0 to pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, we have to use the properties of definite integral. Integral over 0 to pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 2 pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta, using properties of integral, properties of definite integral. Now we have to give the same substitution for z. We have to give the same substitution for z, the conjugate c and cos theta. Only we have a difference is that here cos 2 theta term is there. Cos 2 theta we have to use the formula 2 cos square theta minus 1 and simplify that. And all the other parts are same of the above problems. So I am not doing that, left as an exercise to you. You can evaluate that value and you will get the answer.